March. It's March. Here we are again. My cube has arrived. I've got my box cutter. Let's be careful. Cut away from your body. And close it when you're done. Alright, so this, I guess, was sponsored by Western Digital. And here you have, I have the possibility of winning one of these. So perhaps I won. Let's see if I got a golden ticket. Okay. I got a golden ticket. I got a golden ticket in my hand. So the theme for this month was Masters. No, next one is Masters. This is Classics. Dexter's Laboratory. Golden ticket. I got a golden ticket. So, if I scratch this with a coin, I can see if I won something. So I need a coin. Let's see if I won. I'll check out my t-shirt. Let's see if I won something. Oh, the suspense. Congratulations, you won a 5% discount on all products available on this My Passport SSD at Kaboom. So I'm limited to 50 units. Alright, don't use my command. Hey. Don't use my coupon. But yes, I won 5% discount on something. This month's theme is Classics. Very cool. So far, so cool. Alright. We have our t-shirt, which I will leave for the end. We have a star. Very cool. Already quite impressed. Very cool. Have a little plush star. Bling, bling. Okay, now let's check out my Eagle Moss this month. Classic is Blob. I don't quite remember what Blob is from. Hold on, Blob is stuck in there. So Blob is a Marvel character. Blob is a Marvel character here. And I have to read a little bit about Blob again because, but yes, X-Men have some instances with Blob here. Oh, wow. Blob is not much of my childhood, but I do remember blob, seen blob before in the past. It is quite big. It was quite heavy. Of course, blob is quite large, and I'm very excited to read about blob with his little book there. The magazine that comes with him. I can't wait to read about it. Okay, so here is blob. Full with the mouth open and everything. I am quite happy with this. Look at his mouth. They even carved inside his mouth. It's incredible. Let's go put you here with Spawn. There we go. That's great. That's great. Fantastic. Blob. Yep. They say you should clean up as you cook. You should clean up as you unbox. And then you have less of a mess. Blob. So very cool, very happy. I was hoping for a Jubilee, but I got Blob. I got an X-Men character anyway. Next we have a mouse pad. Johnny Bravo mouse pad. I grew up watching Johnny Bravo a little bit on Cartoon Network. This Elvis styled character. Don't have any quotes off the top of my head. So far though, taking the cake is our Zelda, The Legends of Zelda. This is Nintendo's All-Star. Looks like a magazine about Nintendo and The Legend of Zelda, replete with articles. Now let's see who has written it. This is not written by, as far as I can tell. So this is about Nintendo itself, Fire Emblem, and Super Mario with a poster. Fun reading for me. And another oops. There's supposed to be a Super Mario mug. Let's see, however, due to a new red phase taxed by the government, it was not ready this month. So it was substituted with the Eagle Moss. Okay, you will receive one between 24 options. We sent totally random. Now, we have still not received the magazine from the last box either. I don't know what's going on with that. So, and last but not least, we have our t-shirt. Let us see. What is it? What could it be? Oh, Mojo Jojo. Oh, this is a great t-shirt. I didn't watch the Mojo Jojo much, but this will be fun to revisit Mojo Jojo. And so that's it for our box this month. Toodaloo.